Got a new XY vise for my drill, but I just need to get it bolted into the T-bar slots on the bottom. So I need to make a little washer, square washer that'll fit on this. I can bolt or weld actually to the bottom of the bolt so it doesn't spin. So working on that right now. So I need an 1/8" square, and I need to do a 9/16 hole in the center. So go ahead. Do a center punch on each. And then take it to the drill. Start with a 1/4 inch and then work up to the 9/16. So now I got a drill set up. We got a little bit of cutting oil on it. I'm not going to video while I cut, just so I can have both hands available. Here we go. Before. 1/4 inch done. Next 9/16. 9/16 I'll drill it. Just need to clean it up and cut each one of these out. Here's my little homemade welded T-bar bolt. So it just slips. Come on. Come on. There we go. Just slips right in there. And that way it won't turn. And I can go ahead and bolt that down. And I can go ahead and clean up all this mess. Got some new handles coming for this. And then that'll all be ready to use. So there we have it. Little homemade T-bolt to hold down the vise. All cleaned up. Ready to go. That's it. Oh, remember, do not wear gloves while operating this equipment.